Our screen room is done. Park your boat right here.
Yeah.
Come up and enjoy your supper on your boat. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Chris, and today I'm going to take you guys to a pretty awesome place that we happened to stumble across while we were down here in Delaware, but not before I give you the good news. Our screen room is done. Finally. There she is. Unfortunately, it has taken us most of the summer to complete this project. No fault of our own. Hired a contractor, kind of got screwed. Very long story there. But the important thing is the screen room's done. The screen room's done. We only have like a couple more weeks left. But thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. The neighbors approve. The neighbors approve, and that is awesome. I think a lot of the people around here have seen the hell that we went through this year with our contractors, and ultimately it ended up taking me to come down and just do it. So I'm kind of proud of it. I am pretty proud of it. Let's take you in, show it to you real quick. Welcome to our little happy place. There we go. We're still not 100% finished in here. I have to put some trimming underneath there. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Obviously we have to lay some carpet down in here, but that's our wonderful box that we had to build up a foot because our lovely contractor decided to not measure the pitch correctly for not only the slide out here, but we couldn't even get our door open. I'll put some pictures up here. Gentleman told me that he didn't cut a whole lot off, but yeah, it was pretty much exactly the amount that was needed to not have to frame out the bottom. So that was pretty disappointing. Very disappointing. I wish I would have just continued to do it myself from the get-go. But what kind of fun is that when you want to be down here and just enjoy your time? You get a happy place to come down and be happy, right? Not to take on more projects, but it's okay. It's all right. Have our little breakfast nook over here, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty much it. A nice aluminum top roof, 2 doors. Pretty simple. I'm just uber pumped that we finally got her done. It's pretty cool. We actually have a projector screen that goes up across here. Sitting out here watching the Canelo Crawford fight. That was a lot of fun. Bad Bunny. We watched the Bad Bunny in Puerto Rico concert. So that's our screen room. That is our screen room. Like I said, just a couple little finishing touches that we have to do. But all in all, I think I give the screen room 2 thumbs up. I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty excited about it. Finally get to enjoy it, right? The crap part is the majority of this summer has been tied up with either doing this project or the van and the issues that we had with the van. The good news is all of those issues have resolved themselves, at least we hope. So next year, or from this point forward really, the Delaware content is going to keep flowing. We can bring you guys some more van content, and that's exciting because I know some of you are here for the van and Delaware content. So that being said, let's head over to the Wheelhouse. Maury found this place. It sounded like it was right up her wheelhouse, and the fact that it is called the Wheelhouse, I think it's pretty awesome. This I'm really excited for next year. We're kind of doing like a little bit of a reconnaissance mission. We want to head over here, check this place out. Fun fact, you can take your boat there. You can drive your boat literally right down the Broadkill River, kind of like that whole little canal area that is before the bay, connects the Rehoboth Bay up to where we are. But you can take your boat literally right there, dock it, hop out, and grab a bite to eat. So we're gonna go run a little recon mission over there. well, there we go. We're in. Let's take a look at the menus and see what they have here. I'm pretty excited. This place looks pretty cool. Awesome, awesome views. Ooh, look at that. They have fried calamari on their menu. I'm definitely gonna get some of that. Oh man, there's so many good decisions. I think Lori's already decided she's gonna go with the hen loaf and pasta. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the buffalo chicken mac and cheese with blue cheese crumbles, because let's face it, you cannot go wrong with that. Mac and cheese, buffalo chicken with blue cheese is delicious. And the portions are definitely big enough to get a meal out of this later. 2 meals for sure.
Still working, or we gonna need some boxes?
2 boxes, please.
2 boxes, yeah, okay, guys. Here are the 2 boxes for you.
Thank you very much, sir.
And then any dessert for us tonight? Are we pretty much all set after this?
Do you have chocolate cake?
I have a chocolate torte, which is gonna be like a brownie cake almost. I got you.
Right, we're good.
I'll be back in a few minutes.
All right, thank you, sir. So this is pretty neat. They also have charters right here beside, but if you are on a boat, you can come down here, literally park your boat right here, come up and enjoy your supper on your boat. I think we're going to have to do that for you guys one of these times. We've not come out to eat on our boat yet, but it definitely seems like a really, really good time. So let us know down in the comments if you want to see us come back here. I apologize, we were not prepared for a video today. But when we came here, this place was just too awesome. I couldn't pass up on the opportunity to try to bring you at least something on our phone. So if this place looks interesting to you, then I hope you guys come and check it out. Super, super cool. Their mac and cheese is delicious. If you were all about like buffalo mac and cheese and blue cheese crumbles, highly, highly recommend it. Ask for Hunter, really, really cool server. I think he said he's usually up at the bar, but like I said, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this week's adventure. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you give it 2 thumbs up. Stay safe, and see you on our next adventure.